Good afternoon. I'm Deb Wiegers and welcome to another edition of CliffHangers. Today we're going to talk about the coronavirus. And I know that we've heard a lot about the coronavirus. I want to talk about the coronavirus as it relates to the insurance industry and benefits in particular. What we want you to know is that the insurance companies are on your side. They're there to provide the protection where the protection is needed. What they're doing in a couple of areas that are important is as it relates to disability. They want to make sure that if someone has contracted the coronavirus, they want to keep them safe and away from others that might be affected and still be there to assist in the benefit portion of it. So what they will do is some insurance companies, they're removing the 7-day waiting period on the short-term disability benefit. The other thing that they're doing is if you've been, again, diagnosed with coronavirus, they are not asking for the attending physician statement, which could take a few days. So again, it'll expedite the benefit to that employee. When it goes down to travel, it's really important that we practice the behavior of being on top of what makes sense. With that, I mean, if you are not feeling well, obviously it's best not to travel. But the other thing that you need to think about is that now that we know it's a known condition or a known illness, you will not have insurance coverage if you do travel. If you had a trip that was booked prior to the conversation of coronavirus, you may have that protection. But if you book a trip after the conversation of coronavirus, which has been going on for some time, you may probably not have insurance benefits or coverage should you contract coronavirus. So it's really important to be thinking about what makes good sense when you're looking at doing travel. When we talk about hygiene and being protected, obviously there's things that we all should practice all the time, every day. Number one, wash your hands. Wash your hands thoroughly and wash them many times in a day. Try very hard not to touch your mouth and your face, and try to prevent the spreading of any germs by practicing good respiratory actions. By that, cough into your arm, cough into a napkin, don't cough into open air where there is a risk of spreading it. Stress is out there for all of us because it's something that is quite concerning to our health. So when we think about our children, we want to be very cautious what we're doing with our children in those conversations. Do know that the Employee Assistance Program is there to help. If you're feeling stressed, if your kids are feeling anxious, by all means, reach out to your EAP program. Talk to them. Talk about the things that you can do to better calm yourself, to calm your children, so that we can all work together to get through this critical situation. With that, stay safe, and thank you very much.